Hey guys, Brooksy Tech here, and today we have a fun project going on. So I recently picked up a set of 17 wheels. I think these are American Racing Baja, like the AR 172. Got a good deal on these with some almost brand new K02s on there, but they are 285s, so they're gonna need a little chopping to fit when we're off-road. Already got the backs mounted, they look pretty good. So we'll take a look here. Probably need to paint the hub, or I ordered some center caps, so we'll see if I like them or not, but we might just paint the hubs kind of a black. So we're gonna be starting on the passenger side here. We're gonna do the chop and then do the pinch weld. I'll take this liner out and I'm actually gonna bend it this way. I think I saw it on a guy named Tacoma Dad's video. And then I just want to trim it a little bit. I still want to keep the factory liner, don't want to cut too much. And then I actually ordered some plates here. Here's the welder I'm going to be using. This will be my first major welding project, so don't judge me too much. I'll definitely grind those down, but I got some plates here from Bay Area Metal Fab, I believe is the company. 16 bucks shipped to my door, so hard to beat that. You know, I could have cut out some of my own, but this nice easy template. But we'll go ahead and get started on that, and I'll catch you guys up when the cutting is done. Also show off my TRD Pro Style grill. Definitely liking that. On the wife's, I actually painted the letters we have on her 4Runner white, but these factory silver ones actually match the Silver Sky metallic pretty well. So anyways, yeah, I'll give you guys an update in a little bit. Okay, so the initial cut on the passenger side is done. Just cut out this piece here. Not the cleanest cut in the world, but I'm gonna go through and hit it with a grinder. It's pretty close. I think I'm gonna have to hit the, kind of clean the bottom up a little bit and then get this corner up here where it's hitting, but kind of clean this up, get it back to this tube, this square tube right there, and get it cleaned up, and we'll weld this in. All right, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. All right, so we are ready to weld. Got that about as good as it is gonna fit. So let's go ahead and just kind of size it up there. So I'm gonna weld that, kind of tack it in place, and then bend down that corner to fit, and then we are going to just weld it in, and I will show you guys the final product. And after that we'll do the pinch weld as well. All right, so got the passenger side done. I already kind of ground down my ugly welds, so I spare you guys the unsightly welds there. So I also kind of bent back. I don't know if you can see super well, but just with a hammer, I'm kind of bent back. Oh, sorry, my hand's in the way. The spot weld. For now, I'm just going to try that, and then hopefully that'll work out. And then I might need to trim this right here, so we'll see. But it actually gets quite a bit of clearance. I'll probably put a couple self-tapping screws with washers to kind of push that back, but definitely got quite a bit of clearance, hopefully more than enough to run 33's. So I'm going to get this painted and then throw some self-tappers into here and then do the other side, and then I'll give you guys a follow-up video at the end. All right, we are almost done. So again, here is the passenger side. I'll paint it up. Got a couple screws in for the pinch weld, and then going over here to the driver's side. Got this one in. Not the perfect weld, but a little paint will cover it up. Kind of bent back the seam there, and a little harder to do on the driver's side, but yeah, I'm gonna get this painted up and throw on the wheels, and then I'll do a final video for you guys. And here is the final product. So again, I have Eibach springs with 5100s and then a 2-inch add-a-leaf in the back. And I must say, it is looking pretty good with these rims and tires. So these are the K02s. Got a pretty good deal on them used from a local guy. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Looking forward to driving it. And if you guys found this video useful, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more content. Bye.